Всем привет.
Добрый вечер. Окей, Нина задала мне вопрос. Вы работаете с тем проектом, который был в школе, да? Нина?
Я URL эту взяла с гита, поставила ее туда как источник гит, и я уже этот тест как бы запустила, и он прошел.
Но вы сделали новый проект, да?
Ну да, я выбрала там новый в меню.
Можно посмотреть ваш экран?
Да, сейчас. Так, где тут выбрать? Так, одну секунду, вот, наверное.
Так, и это Ask Java Cucumber WebDriver. И все работает. Можно посмотреть файл Project Structure.
Ага.
И у вас выбрано 14-й, да?
Но у меня другой не стоит, то есть я не знаю, нужно ее ставить или нет, если работает.
Давайте пока посмотрим, как будет работать. Если что, тогда быстренько переоформим.
Они не конфликтуют же, да, 14 и 11?
Не должны они конфликтовать, но иногда не всегда работают. Окей,
ну
давайте попробуем так. Хорошо. Кто еще хочет показать мне?
I can't run my scenario.
Окей, давайте посмотрим.
Mm-hmm. Can you see my screen?
Давайте посмотрим Project again, Project Settings.
Project, where are you?
File, нет. Go
File. Settings.
Plugins. У вас стоит и Cucumber, и Gherkin. Стоят. Хорошо. Тогда закройте это. И пойдете в Project Structure. Нет, не здесь опять. Файл. Project Structure.
Where? Project Structure, okay.
Так, и видите, у вас не работает. Попробуйте выбрать 11-й. Дальше Modules.
Ой, а где это вы Project Structure смотрите?
Modules. Вверху, видите, у вас Project, дальше Modules и SDKs. Вот пойдите в Modules.
Третий слева.
На один левел, не здесь.
Окей. Modules.
Так, выбрать 11-ю. Выбрать 11-ю.
Здесь? Ага.
И SDKs тоже. Нажмите ОК.
Окей.
И еще раз. То же самое. Project, File, Project Structure.
File.
Project Structure. SDKs. Теперь пойдите в SDKs.
Здесь?
Нет, не здесь. Ниже еще. Platform Settings. Внизу. С левой стороны. Меню. С левой стороны. Там, где Under Project Settings.
Окей.
Не здесь.
Здесь.
Нажмите SDK. Стоит 11. Все в порядке. Стоит.
Okay.
Okay. Так, еще разок. Попробуйте файл. Exit, снова зайти, потому что должно оно перезагрузиться, мне кажется, самостоятельно.
Exit.
Exit, а потом снова попробуйте зайти. Так, вы откуда брали? Ask WebDriver Java Cucumber, да?
Да.
А какое вот нужно было, первую или вторую ссылку брать? У меня тоже не работает.
I don't have a run button here.
Нет, должны быть они помечены. Попробуйте run сценарию при define steps. Но они не так. Run сценарию при define steps. Окей, все работает теперь.
Спасибо. Thank you so much. Stop share.
Alina, I have a question. But if I have the Java 14, do I have to change it for 11?
Okay, in Nina's case it is working. Let's open your framework and see how it goes.
Okay.
I don't see your screen.
You see it now?
Okay, but this is a different project. You need
This is my one.
No, this is not the one that I need.
Oh.
Click on File, Close Project. Click on File, Close Project. Close Project. Okay, and now get from VCS and open the browser where this project is located.
Alina, from the GitHub, you mean?
Yes, from GitHub.
Alina, I send you in the chat the link. Thank you. You have it here.
Okay, click on, no, not this one, not ask. Click on GPL Git. Click on GPL Git. Click here and go to Ask WebDriver Java Cucumber. This one. And click on Code. And click on this copy sign. Okay. And add it to your URL here. No, not repository. 1 second. Go back. Cancel. Get from VCS, not new project. Okay, put it here. Paste. And clone. And wait until it completes the processing.
Oh, okay.
We have to wait until all the dependencies will be resolved and all the indexes will be in place. Okay, now you see Ask WebDriver Java Cucumber. Click on this to expand. SRC, Test, Resources, Features, Predefined feature. Run it. Okay, it is good. Given I open URL Google, okay, what's the problem here? Session was not created. This version of Chrome driver only supports Chrome version 96. It's supposed to automatically update everything. Nina, what about in your case? What was there?
I have everything working, everything in green, and 7 tests passed.
7 test cases passed, right?
Yes.
And we have the manager for automatically updating the browser version. And now we have that this browser is not compatible with this one. Current browser is 96 and Chrome driver supports only 96. Okay, what else? No, this is not good. Okay, check your browser version. Go to Chrome browser. Click here on 3 dots and help and about. And you can update your browser to 96. Can you update your browser?
I can try. I don't know how to do it, but I can try.
Okay, try to do it so that we have corresponding browsers, and in the meantime, somebody else will.
Okay, I'll let you know if it's gonna work.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Galina. Oh, sorry.
No, Galina, you go ahead.
Okay, can I share?
Yep. Does it work? Try to do this. Try to run.
I tried and it doesn't show me anything.
Okay, can you go to run menu on the top? Run and run. And predefined steps.
Yeah. What did I do? Sorry. Here?
No, okay. Go to edit configurations.
Okay.
And please type in glue support space definitions. Definitions.
Okay.
Definitions. and run.
Now run.
Mm-hmm.
It's not active.
This is strange. Every time I have some different issues. Okay, let's go to your, again, project structure. File. Settings. Let's check everything. Settings. Cucumber for Java and Gherkin are installed. Good. Go again, file. Project structure. Project structure. And select SDK. You have no SDKs. Okay, select 11. Click OK. And go again and check that the modules and project have the same version. Again, project structure, not plugins.
Oh, okay.
Project, select 11. Okay, and here not 16 but 11 as well. In records, certain local enums, and you see here, select 11. Do we scroll up? And select 11. Yep. And in modules.
Okay.
Click on modules. Click OK. Click on modules, and 11 is selected already. Click OK.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And try to run it again.
It's not active.
It's okay, but it will run with debug. I had this problem with recent. I need to check it out. Try to run on feature. Again, just debug. Okay, click on this run. Not on the second, just in the scenario, please.
Here?
Click on run in scenario. This is the feature level. We need the scenario.
Okay.
And click on debug.
Yeah. Oh, it's my defender. Looks like it doesn't let me do. Yeah.
Okay, click on big check mark in the results. Test results. You see, in the bottom, you have one test passed, right? And you have test results, and up big white check mark. Click on this big white check mark.
This one?
Yes. Okay. Now that's good. For some reason, you don't have run, but you have debug. So
Instead of run.
Yeah, I'll have to Google it out why it happens. I don't know. I don't have the ready answer at the moment. I will have to move.
So I did it for scenario right now. Should I do it?
Okay, one more time. Can you click on run?
It's debug.
It only has this debug. It doesn't have run. Okay, I will check it out.
Actually, it was active, but it didn't do anything. When it was active, I click on it, but
you go to run in the menu. Run in the menu. And run. And run scenario. It is not active. I will have to check it out. But it is workable, right? You can at least run your scenarios in debug mode.
Yes.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay, who else? Camila?
Yes, Galina, I have like more problems. I guess I follow the steps in the presentation and I have totally different project. Give me one moment, let me share my screen. So could you please help me to open the correct project? Because I was, what I did, I was following all the steps in this presentation.
You can click on File.
Project.
And Close Project. Close project.
Exit.
No.
Close.
If you click Exit, you will close your IntelliJ. You need to scroll up a little bit. And in the first part, you
Close
have
project. Okay.
Close Project. And here, you will get from version control. Click on Get from version.
And now I will enter.
And you see, you have directory Ask. Can you click on to browse so that you find your... No, not here.
Location?
Right, location.
Yeah, the thing is I downloaded the IntelliJ into E because I have a lot of space there.
Okay, it means that you will have to create a new folder. Okay, here, idea projects. Select idea projects.
It's empty so far.
Okay, click on it so that you select this one. Okay?
Yeah, I did. So okay, so
click.
I just need OK and clone, right?
No.
No, not yet.
Now you have to select the correct URL. Open Git. Go to GitHub.
I guess it's old. It's the other one.
This is scripted. Okay, you need to go to GPL Git. The one that I offered you in the...
this one?
Yeah. Click on that one, GPL Git Ask. Click here. Okay. And now click on GPL dash Git. So that you will... You see, you have Ask. Not...
Yeah, so I need to remove Ask.
You remove Ask, right click. And select Ask WebDriver Java Cucumber.
So this one.
Here, this one. And then click on this code, green button. And on the copy. Okay. And add it to your URL. And click clone.
Okay.
And trust.
Thank you. So hopefully it will work.
And you will have to wait for some time.
Okay, it should be good.
Okay, click on Ask SRC, Test, Resources, Features, Predefined Feature, and Run.
From the smoke steps?
No, this is the feature level. We need scenario level. Just click on this and run scenario. That's so strange for Galina that this invalid missing form.xml. Current project SDK. 1 second. Current project SDK is 1.8. So, did you install 11?
No, I don't. SDK I guess 1.8. Do I need to go to...
No. You see, our project has version of SDK 11. And if you have 8...
I have 8. I'm pretty sure I'm having.
Then you need to download 11.
Let me see which Java I have. Yes, 8.
Okay, so definitely it will not be working. you need the latest version, right? So it would be good because it is 11, right? Try to go to Oracle website.
I can just go right here, I
and
guess.
you already know, right? So you need to go to project structure and select SDK 11 and then modules and projects. So that
Okay, so I just go like this, and then I will choose another one.
Right.
Okay, got it. Sure, thank you. I will try it. Thanks so much.
Who else?
I have small problem.
Okay, go ahead.
So I cloned the project and I didn't run it because
So you need to add
this one 11
yeah.
and
Click OK and make sure that in the project and in the modules you have the same version. You can do it. Again, file, project structure, file, project structure. A little bit lower. Project structure, okay. Project, this is SDK, right? Scroll up. Project, not here. On the left menu, okay. Here, select 11, right? And in the modules, go to modules again. On the left, modules, and it is 11. Okay, click OK. And now go to predefined feature. Double click. And again, you probably need to wait until it will be indexing.
Yes, here I saw.
And run. Okay, it is working.
Yes, it's working. Thank you so much, Galina.
You're welcome. Okay, who is next? Arthur?
Yes, good evening. Hi, Galina. Hi, everyone.
Hi.
I do have, can you hear me?
Yep.
I do have a bunch of questions since I missed the most of the past few classes due to my work, crazy schedule. So basically, I'm trying to catch up and trying to figure what I need to install to basically not fall behind. And so I just found the resources and trying to install the IntelliJ. Also, is that trying to install the Git? As far as I understand, we get it from the...
If you are a Mac user, you don't have to install Git.
Okay.
If you are a Windows user, then you will have to.
All right. So I went to the presentation and it says the prerequisites, and there is a Java link also, which I also need to install, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, GK11.
Yes.
Okay, so I am installing it now actually. And what else? Yeah, it's just kind of hard. I'm seeing what everyone else is doing, and I'm like not there yet. And I'm hoping I can get to that point too.
Maybe Lisa has some questions, and Michael has some questions in the meantime while you are downloading.
Yes. Sure.
And then we will configure the project.
Okay, thank you.
Lisa, what questions?
Yeah. Hi, Galina. I don't have any questions. I just come to to listen to anything. Yeah.
Okay, Michael.
No question.
Hello, Galina. Hello, folks. Galina, we were actually with Artyom, but Artyom is working. We have a question about home task 15, a little bit behind. This closed tickets related, regression and compatibility testing in Jira. I don't really understand what should I do.
Okay, so you definitely need to go through the new features, right? And when we speak about the partial regression testing, then you are mostly focused on the new features that have been in this release notes, the bugs that have been fixed, right? And then you go through the most important part, critical part of the application, right? Or the ones that had previous errors.
You mean new features which you show us this Excel table with the...
And maybe you will find some other bugs related with them that haven't been reported. So this is the main goal of performing this regression, so that the new features or bug fixes would not introduce the new issues, new defects.
So, I mean, technically, as I understand, correct me if I'm wrong, I should make once again the testing and find out what's new in the 1.0.7, if I'm not mistaken, right?
That's true.
And that will be regression, right?
That's true.
I got you, because I was thinking like I should do some other stuff with the previous tests. And
No. And guys, I will roll back our version to back to 1.0.1 when we start working with test automation, because it is much work, guys, to redo all the tests that we will need to, right? So we will automate our test cases again based on accepting of special character and everything else, okay? And we will have some bugs that will still be present there.
So, I mean, do you mean when you say that in the Cucumber we will do along the 1.0.1, right?
Yes, with when we start automating our application, right? For next classes, we are going to work with those vanilla sites, right? Quote, I will offer you some other applications, but when you get experience of working with Cucumber, Java, and WebDriver functions, we will start automating our test cases. And again, I will roll back to 1.0.
Thank you.
Okay.
Galina, I'm sorry. I just downloaded the Java 11. So could I share my screen to make sure that everything is working?
Let's do it.
Thank you. So here
Okay.
Yeah.
Project modules. Click on
And now modules. Okay.
And in SDKs. Click on SDKs. No, not here. On the left.
Here, this one.
Okay. Click OK.
Okay.
And go back to predefined feature. Double click and you don't have those.
It was there just like minutes ago. Oh, now I don't see it.
Then click on run on the top.
Here, it's appeared. On scenario, right?
Right test, yes. And it is working.
Yeah, it looks good. Thank you so much. Oh,
okay.
something.
What about the Google version? Who was having problems with that?
Oh, I have something red. What is it?
It is fine.
It's fine.
Those
Okay.
are kind of warnings, right? But if you click on this big check marks, white check mark on the left, big one, you will see all the tests.
I see. Okay, thank you so much.
All right. Who had the problem with
I had the problem, Galina, and I fixed it, and now it's working. Thank you so much.
Good. All right. So we have this problem with running in debug. I need to Google it out. I don't know the solution right now.
I'm not sure if it works. Maybe I have to redo all these steps.
How did you do it?
I'm not sure if I can. That I'm asking.
Okay. Again, can you share your screen so that we can see?
Yes. Just give me a second. I'm not sure how to do this right.
Okay. Again, can we go to run on the top menu? Run and edit configuration. Click on edit configurations. No, not here. Okay, either from there or from here. Where? Under. This is all same.
I mean, can I remove all this project and start again?
The only difference that I have is shorten command line. You have none. Can you click there so that you can select some other options? The last input field, shorten command line.
Yeah.
Alina, scroll down. This one. You see, you have none value. Can you select?
Which one?
And you don't have anything to select. Because I have user local default. Okay. Again, did we check your project structure?
Let's do.
File, no, go file, project structure. 11, SDKs again. 11, and project. 11. That's fine. And it is not selected, right? If you right click inside this, right click, no, it shows only debug. Okay, let me work on that. Okay, I will consult with our systems administrator. Maybe he can help.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Okay, guys, you can go if you don't have any questions, and I will stay with Arthur.
Can I ask one? Sorry.
Yes, Nina, go ahead.
I would like to ask a question about today's homework about XPath.
Okay.
So my question related to the element which is not seen on the page. I mean, pop-up window with name, middle name, something like this, and drop-down lists. So when we use tag select, so do we need always use select and then like child option, or we can go only with option?
You can go with option sometimes, yes.
Because when I check it through XPath, it shows that everything is right, but I'm not sure that the option itself without select will work in the...
Yeah, definitely it will be more reliable if you use it with select, but definitely it can be identified without select, just with option.
Okay, and the second question, pop-up window. I found only a container div for it.
What is pop-up window? Can you remind me what is?
It's something like name, and you click on it, and you have pop-up window with first name, middle name, last name.
Right. And it will be just input and ID attributes.
Because I choose like big div container. And then relative path starting directly from the element, it seems. Everything works, but I just want to make sure that it works not only in XPath, but in the Selenium as well.
Okay, so we are going to be automating, right, this page. And I assume that you have already done it in class, haven't you?
In class, I had problem with my crop path because I have update for Chrome and something happened with it.
Okay, so you didn't create any express expressions, but
in class, no. I created.
Any problems? You can just use this find window on the elements side and work with it.
No, right now I already had my crop path and I almost finished my homework. So.
That's good. So it is working fine with this just relative expression with input and then attribute ID, first name, middle name, and last name.
Okay. Everything I wrote actually works, but
we will start our class tomorrow with analyzing and reviewing the results, right?
Mm-hmm.
So we will discuss different approaches, possible options.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I'm leaving now.
Okay.
Thank you, Galina.
Okay, guys, have fun with your exercises. And Arthur, what about you? Can we proceed now?
Yes, just a second, please. Just a second.
Okay. Michael, did Artyom install the framework? Do you know if he did?
I don't really know. I will re-ask him. I will try maybe right now to re-ask him.
It's, definitely, yeah.
But he has Mac.
I'm kind of concerned that he was not in school and he never installed this framework before. Probably he might need help.
Yeah, usually he's on the work at night, but because me and he has the Mac, I guess it'll be easy. I mean,
Okay, so you will help me if he has any problems, right?
I will try as much as I can.
Okay.
Okay, Galina, I'm back. So I did.
You can share your screen.
Sure will do. Just a second. Sharing screen. Okay, sharing.
Okay, so you downloaded Java SDK, right?
Yes, I did.
And you have IntelliJ. Okay.
I do.
And we need...
Do I need to create an account here?
I don't think so. We just need to open IntelliJ.
Okay, that's what I did. I opened IntelliJ. It's asking me to activate IntelliJ IDEA.
Okay, activate them.
Yeah, JB.
One second, license. Why did you install the professional version? We need community.
Yeah, community.
Oh, community. Okay.
With license, we will not be able. You will have to pay for the license. So exit and download community.
Okay. Going to try to download community. Let's see here. Just a second. I'm used to working with Windows, so with Mac is a bit different, and I just recently started using it. So.
I didn't get it. What were you using recently?
The Mac. Actually, it's still new to me, and I bought it specifically for school.
Mm-hmm.
I believe I guess have to keep on going with the Windows. Okay, not this one. No. Which one was that? Oh, IntelliJ. Because the
Community.
oh, okay. Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Okay, there it is.
And you will have to.
Oh, it's going to take some time. Yeah, I'll try to figure it out. I'll work with it. It's just, I don't have on the road, I don't have such a, good the fast internet connection.
Okay, we
It'll
can
take some
go.
time.
Guys, you can really go if you don't need this. You have already installed, and I will stay with Arthur and help him.
Kalina, I have a question.
Yes, please.
I can share or I can read. That was a kind of interview question. I can read. We have array from 1 to 100, and in this array, one digit is missing. Find out a missing digit. How should I start doing? I mean, what should I start thinking while I'm doing this in a SQL?
It is not SQL, right?
Why?
This is like the programming question for test automation engineers, right?
For
About
automation,
array.
yes. That was like one of the hardest questions that I was not sure what I should.
Okay, so and is it an ordered list of numbers or what?
Yes.
Okay, so what would be the best option?
Because I even have no idea how to start thinking because I totally told them that I don't know.
And again, what was the purpose of this question? To get the logic or what? Or to find how you are writing Java code or different any other code?
Logic to maybe if you can help, how should I think? What should I start from?
Okay, so if it is an ordered list of numbers, right? Then the next number in this row, right, will be the number plus 1. The number plus 1. And you check that the sum of this next number will be the present number plus 1, right? So you can divide the row into parts, right? And compare those. If that's how you will identify the one that will not be equal the number plus 1, right? So the missing, if it is missing, it will be the number plus 2.
Why plus 2?
Because it was missing. And the next number will be not the existing number plus 1, but existing number plus 2.
Does it matter if the array will be not 100 but like 10?
No, it doesn't matter. Do you get my point? So you have this array, right, of numbers. And for example, in your case, you will have 1, 2, 3, then 5, 6, 7, and so on and so on. So the number 4 will be missing. So, and you will write the code checking that the next number in this row will be equal to 1 plus 1 equals 2. And you check that the following number will be equal sum plus 1, right? And if it is equal 1, the sum plus 2, then this number will be missing. This is the only way that I'm thinking.
Totally confused. I guess this is not my question.
No,
Yes.
those kind of questions are asked not the people who are interviewed for the position of a manual tester, but for the position of the test automation engineer.
But these recruiters right now, they want everything in one pocket, so they have questions from both. So I mean, even though they write down the requirements for manual, they sometimes like secretly give you this or that question, and just to make you fail, or to make just I don't know.
I doubt that recruiters will ask you those questions, or maybe they have this list in front of them, because recruiters are interested only in getting information about your previous experience, about your job expectations, and an amount of salary.
I mean, they're
not qualified to ask this type of
There was two persons. One is recruiter, another was definitely technical guy. That's why.
Okay. Then it was not the recruiter's interview, it was the phone screening.
Maybe.
And again, the phone screening, it's kind of a difficult question for the phone interview. This is usually the question that is asked during the face-to-face interview.
I got you.
Okay, so Arthur, any progress?
Yes, I did download the IntelliJ, but just share the screen again.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, and it's asking me for this new project open or get from VCS.
Get from VCS.
Okay.
And you have to, and by default, it opens your idea projects. Then you need to provide the URL for Git, GPL Git.
Is this from the resources on Slack?
You can copy it from our chat.
I send you.
Send in chat. Open our chat.
Oh, chat. Okay, just a second.
Не було там.
Oh, there it is. Found it. Okay, there it is.
And click on code. No, on code. This green button code, open it up.
Yes. Что-то не могу найти. А какая кнопка?
Окей. Вот сейчас вы опять активный у вас IntelliJ. Надо вернуться в браузер. Go back to browser.
Okay. Вот этот код.
This code, green button, click on it. And on the copy icon. And now insert this into this input field in IntelliJ. Paste. Control V. Okay. And click on clone. And we'll have to wait.
Артур, у вас красивый русский язык.
Спасибо большое, Михаил, спасибо.
Я стесняюсь спросить, какой же родной?
Русский.
Okay, Trust project.
Okay.
It is still processing. Close. You have to close this one.
Closed. Okay.
And then wait until the project will be on the left side in the project structure. Okay. Did you download SDK?
I did.
Okay. I mean, download and run the executable. Did you run the executable for SDK?
No, I didn't.
You have to. No, you don't have to do this. I saw that you have it. You have to unpack this. Okay. I believe that this will be for the second time, right?
The third time, actually.
No, you don't have to do that. Can you go to your applications? Okay, you see, you have to drag and drop it to applications. Just, no, you had that window. Was it SDK or what?
Okay.
Okay, so Java SDK, DMG, okay.
This one.
This one. You need to unpack this one. Did you do that already?
Yeah.
Okay, can you go to terminal and type Java version? No, it goes with no, Java dash space dash version.
Okay, sorry.
Green, may I ask you?
Okay, it is already installed. So you see Java version 11, that's fine. Now, let's go back to your IntelliJ. And click on Ask WebDriver Java Cucumber on the left. Yeah.
Okay.
Unfold this one, SRC. Click Test. Resources. Features. Redefine feature. Okay. Now we need to go and install the Cucumber plugin. Go to settings. You have to click on IntelliJ IDE. On the top, you have this menu where you have IntelliJ IDE, file, edit, view, navigate. So click on IntelliJ IDE.
На этой страничке, да, вот где
Вот
WebDriver Java.
в самом верху у вас есть, там, где прямо яблочко, и IntelliJ IDE, file, edit, view.
Okay.
You need to click on IntelliJ and preferences.
Preferences.
And plugins. And here in the marketplace, type to see options. Вот там, где написано type to see options,
Okay.
type Cucumber. Okay, Cucumber for Java install. Install required plugins. Окей, Scala нам не нужно, нам нужно только Java. And Restart ID. Restart ID, да. Так, теперь идем Project Structure. Подожди.
Structure.
Сейчас пусть он еще опять все индексы поправит. Could load the page. Click on predefined feature. Predefined feature. Вот этот вот. This one. Окей. Давайте проверим на всякий случай. Project. Нажать на файл. Теперь там же наверху меню файл. Там... Нет, не здесь.
Нет, не здесь.
Там, где опять же яблочко, IntelliJ ID и файл. Файл. Нажмите на файл. Файл.
Где
Нет,
файл?
next to IntelliJ.
Окей, next to it.
Project structure. Окей. И у вас no SDK, да? Мы выбираем SDK 11. Выбираем. И также в SDKs выбираем SDK. Ниже SDKs уже она стоит. И все. Клик ОК. Окей. И run теперь надо. Right-click inside this. Это нам не надо. Right-click inside the scenario. Right-click. Мышкой. Можно? Нету мышки? Тогда надо будет Control и right-click. Хорошо, идем опять. Run. Идем вверху, вот там, где опять самое верхнее меню. Run. Выбираем Run.
Файл?
Run. Окей. Теперь оно появилось, слава богу. Видите, вот эти две стрелочки зеленые?
Да.
Вот на них надо нажимать. And run. Окей, you're good.
Alright, спасибо большое.
Не за что.
И можно еще вопрос про expert?
Да.
On the homework.
Вот еще, чтобы было видно, лучше нажать на вот этот белый checkmark наверху. Внизу results. Test results. Видите, внизу слева test results. Test.
Да, вижу.
Нажмите на большой white checkmark. Чуть-чуть выше. Вот внизу, совсем внизу.
Все, вижу.
Вот этот. Клик. На него надо кликать. И на тест results тоже тогда, чтобы были видны все результаты. Вот unfold this test result. Нет?
Нет, не открывает.
Еще раз попробуйте сделать повтор.
Окей.
Все. Так, какой вопрос?
Expert.
Так.
Homework.
Так.
So, in order for me to run this test case, what should I do?
Во-первых, вам нужно загрузить вот этот документ. Download this. Откройте его. И go to this page scriabin.com. Open it in the browser. Click enter.
This is effect. Let's just take some time. Slow internet.
That's bad. Okay, this is our sample form, right? And you will have to identify XPath expression for some of those elements. You need to open it with inspect, right click and inspect. And you see, you can work like this, or you can use the 3 dots on the left. Вот видите вверху, вот этот 3 dots, and select the one that you prefer. I prefer the second one from the right. This one. Yeah, no.
Oh,
This one, right.
second one, right.
Yeah, and it will be docked to the bottom. You see?
Okay.
And here you will be able to work with elements, right? And the crow paths. Click on double arrows on the right. Double arrows, a little bit lower. Double arrows, double. Еще. Next to event listeners.
I see.
And select crow path. And here you will be able to work with the elements. And you will identify the correct XPath expression. Either here or inside the elements page. Go inside the elements page. And do combination of keys. Not here, but the elements. Here, right.
Right here.
Right here. Click Control F. Or Command F in your case. Command F. And here you see the cursor is blinking. You also will be able to work with this. Field to right. Double slash. Type. Inputs. Input.
Input. Прям писать, да? Input.
Да, input. Enter.
Okay.
So you have 19 objects having this tag name. And if you want to narrow down, then you follow the syntax. You open square bracket. Square brackets.
Square brackets.
После input square bracket. Квадратная скобка.
Над энтером.
Окей. Хорошо.
И дальше attribute name. Attribute at sign. В общем, вам надо будет посмотреть тогда.
Ладно, я посмотрю класс прошлый.
Собаки.
Вам
Не
надо
смотрю, да.
посмотреть видео и
Я
попрактиковать.
очень извиняюсь.
Хорошо.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Карина,
Всё,
можно маленький
спасибо.
вопросик?
Да.
Завтра что вы будете нам рассказывать? У меня просто есть большая вероятность, что меня задержат на работе, чтобы я так немножко...
Завтра мы разберем ответы на вопросы по XPath и начнем работать с проектом вот этим, да. Я расскажу коротенько о структуре этого проекта, и мы начнем с engines, как пользоваться этим фреймворком.
Поисковые, да?
И как искать вот эти вот search engine.
Ага, понял. Понял, спасибо.
И получите домашнее задание, еще 10 написать сценариев на search engine.
На search engine, ага.
Потом будет Cucumber, потом будет Java, потом будет WebDriver, а потом мы начнем работать с нашим сайтом. Okay. Any more questions, guys?
No.
Good. Then see you tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
До завтра.